The landslides were triggered by heavy rains over the past few days, and more than 70 people and about 50 vehicles are trapped on the highway. The exact number of vehicles pushed down at the ravine is yet to be ascertained. Landslides crushed numbers of vehicles and pushed more cars into a ravine along a stretch of the National Highway number 8 between Khun District in Khammon Province and Bolikamsai Province on August 4. The landslides occurred after heavy rainfall over many days, which also caused floods in many villages in several districts of provinces. Provincial authorities have rescued more than 20 children and elderly people. They also provided food and drinking water to the stranded people. The landslides occurred after heavy rainfall over many days, which also caused floods in many villages in several districts of Khammon Province. Khun Kham District has been hit by heavy floods, and about 12,767 people living in 14 villages, or almost half of the population in the district, have been affected by the flooding. The provincial authorities are now racing up to help them. In Himboon District, more than 180 houses and hundreds of hectares of farmlands in 4 villages have been affected by the floods. Several roads were cut off by floodwaters, stopping travel between villages. The electricity and telecommunications networks too were disrupted by the floods. Authorities of the Khammon Province, led by the governor, Mr. Vansai Phongsavan, have sped up efforts to help the people in Himboon District. The authorities provided food, drinking water, and medicines worth more than 19 million kip to the affected on August 3rd. Authorities are also assessing the impacts of the floods on the road between Sebangphai and Nongbok districts, especially the stretch along the banks of the Sebangphai River, so that help can be provided to the affected people. On August 4th, the Meteorology and Hydrology Department warned the residents of Hmokpan, Sengkhwang, Saisambun, Bolikamsai, Khammon, and Vientiane provinces to be on the alert for landslides and flooding due to heavy rainfall. Bolikamsai Province's Public Works and Transport Department announced the temporary closure of National Highway number 8 running through the Phupaman and Phuhai mountainous areas from August 4th until further notice.